number 77 from chapter 27 An-Naml. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن هذا القرآن يقص على بني إسرائيل أكثر الذي هم فيه يختلفون. Verily this Quran explains to the children of Israel most of that concerning which they differ.
What is the wisdom of the whole Quran in choosing to explain the differences أكثر الذي هم فيه يختلفون?
The Holy Quran leads you to the right path. So in religious matters, when on the fundamentals people differ previously, and there are so many differences among the Jewish sects, at least 72 are definitely proved to be there, because the Prophet has said that the previous Ummah was divided into 72 sects. So they all have their important differences on very fundamentals, not on small things, but on very important things. So the Holy Quran has come to resolve those differences, and it has resolved every difference which was important for the education of people. And with the grace of Allah, this book is judge over all the previous ummahs.